The Karnataka State Backward Classes Federation has strongly opposed the inclusion of the Panchamasali Lingayat community in the backward classes category 2A. On Wednesday, Federation leaders and activists submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah emphasizing their stand. The leaders argued that granting the Panchamasali community's demand would undermine the interest of other communities currently under the 2A category. They urged the government to reject the demand outright, warning that any move to accommodate it would lead to statewide protests. The memorandum highlighted concerns over the impact of such a decision on social justice and equitable representation. The Federation asserted that they would intensify their agitation if their appeal was ignored.